Good morning. I'm Al from lineClamp. Working on this house by the sand pits. Got the waterfront view. I probably already told you there's going to be a swimming pool in this area and a handrail along the edge, so you can have a party out here. I think there might be either a utility room for the pumps and stuff, or maybe a fireplace in that corner again. Anyway, Wichita, Kansas, building homes, kicking butt, taking names. Had a lot of snow yesterday, had a lot of snow this weekend. Finally got it cleared out, getting ready to hit it. Starting at 8, gonna let the sun do its business. Have a wonderful day. Check out the lineClamp at www.lineClamp.com. Let me hear your comments. Message me if you want one. Have a great day.